I'm N.S. Lavanya, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KC's Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Let's look at common nouns. A common noun is the general, non-specific term for a person, place, thing, or idea. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence. Examples of common noun. Alex is a wonderful player. Player is a common noun. Sydney Sixers is the team he plays for. Team is a common noun. He was not born in this country. Country is a common noun. Sydney is the city he lives in. City is the common noun. He is a man of dream. Man is a common noun. He plays cricket with intensity. Michael Clark is his mentor. Cricket and mentor are common nouns because these nouns will not specify anything. Hence, it is a common noun. Look at some more examples. He has a house across the river. House, river are common nouns. He goes for a walk by the river every day. His friend accompanies him. River, friend are common nouns. They talk about movies and celebrities. Movies, celebrities has not specified anything. Hence, it is a common noun. He is a fan of Hugh Jackman and the movie Wolverine. Fan is a common noun. He has a dog named Poppy. Dog is a common noun. He has a house and a car also. House, car are common nouns. You broke my favorite mug. Mug is a common noun. I really want a new pair of jeans. Jeans is a common noun. I wish I could remember the name of that painter. Painter is a common noun. They're all waiting for us at the restaurant. It is a common noun. I really want to live in the city. Let's go to watch a live game at the stadium. City, game, stadium are common nouns. Examples of common noun. You can see and write it, practice it for better understanding of common noun. Those underlined words are common nouns. We will catch you there after some time. She has been studying abroad for years. I will throw a rope to you. Sometime, years, rope are common nouns. This day is unforgettable for me. I saw a few women going towards the dam. He went to purchase something from the shop. A child is playing near the swimming pool. Day, women, something are common nouns. Girls like men with good body physique. Girls, child are common nouns. We are trying to sort out such problems. Problems are common noun. Let's go to the gym tomorrow. Gym is a common noun. The whole family died in a car accident. In which school did your son study? Family, school are common nouns because it has not specified anything. Mother is called the visible God on earth. Mother is a common noun. He is doing some kind of business in New York. Business is a common noun because it doesn't specify any particular business. Pass me that book. Book is a common noun. Here some more examples of common noun. The computer I just bought is very solid. Computer is a common noun. He broke the plate I gave him to put on the table. Plate is a common noun. Table also. She could not look at the TV because her eyes were on the phone all the time. TV and phone or common nouns. I washed all the pillows in the room. Pillows is a common noun. I accidentally broke my favorite glass. I added new books to the library. I have never seen my mother. Class, books, library, mother are common nouns. Tomorrow we will go swimming with my cousin. Cousin is a common noun. My brother was promoted today. My grandfather is very old now. Brother, grandfather are common nouns. Look at some more examples for better understanding. Thanks for watching this video.